Yeah, hello, this is Dennis from Smoke Daddy. I've been getting a lot of questions about our heavy D. People are saying that they're catching on fire. I just want to show you how it was designed and the way that I like to load it up. I think one of the problems is people are putting way too many pieces of wood in there, chunks of wood, and it's too much of a surface area and it's catching on fire. So the way that I like to load this is, if you can, some nice big chunks like this. One chunk on either side. Now, about 3 by 3 by 8 piece of wood will fit in there. That's it. And we'll just put the ends on here. Now, if you use smaller stuff like this, just one piece. Don't put 2 of them in there. There's too much surface area. That's going to catch on fire. Now, the other thing, if you have chunks like this, 3 by 3 by 3 is the size that I like to use. Now, you can't put a lot of them in there. You gotta, again, the surface area is what will get you in trouble with the fire. What I like to do is put a few pieces of lava rock in here, put a chunk of wood, and then some more lava rock to separate those big chunks so they're not catching each other on fire. Put another piece in there. That's good. That's enough to give you some nice stick burner style smoke. Now we're gonna put it in this vertical, the one that we've used for testing. I mean, this isn't the prettiest thing, but we're just testing this heavy D today. So put that over your burn pot. Get your drip pan back in there. And what I'm gonna do is we'll set this. I'm gonna set it at 225, or we'll get it. I'll put it on mid for a second or two to get a little bit of smoke going, and then bump it down to 225. So I'll get it on mid. As soon as I know that it's lit, I'm not going to let it go real long. Then I'm going to set to 225. And we'll come back in about 20 minutes and we'll see where we're at. It's been about 20 minutes. I bumped it up to 270, and then now that we're getting some nice smoke coming out of that stick burner, I'm going to kick it down to 225. Now, as you can see, it's producing a lot of nice smoke. So, no fire. So, yeah, those bigger chunks with the lava rock in there, or one big chunk on either side, that will give that to you. So, there you go. Yeah, we can wait. We'll come back out maybe in an hour and we'll see how it's going. But I kicked it down again to 225. So let's come back in about, I don't know. Let's come back in about a half hour or so, and we'll check it again.
Sounds good.
Okay. Okay, it's been about an hour. We've had it set at 225, and it's not producing a whole ton of smoke. You're getting that nice stick burner smoke here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a nice thin blue coming out of there. And as you can see with the heavy D, there's no real big fire down in there. If you started out like that, there the fan just kicked up. Yeah, you can see here comes some smoke. So, yeah, that to me is the way to load that. It's the bigger chunks in there, and with the lava rock or real big chunks. So, with that, as you can see, there's no fire in there. If I could pick that up, I don't have anything with me here. You can see there's just a nice thin blue smoke coming out from underneath there. Now, if I leave that fan going full blast for any length of time, it may catch on fire a little bit, but I don't think so. Just those bigger chunks is what you want to use. And again, it's that nice stick burner style smoke. So yeah, if you stay away from all the smaller stuff, if you do use the blocks 3" by 3", make sure you mix it in with some lava rock, and I think you'll have no problem. So that's how we do the heavy D stick burner. So thanks for looking. Go start cooking.